10 things we learned in Mr. Pope's class. You will be missed. The first thing is qualitative and quantitative observations. Qualitative is using the senses plus one to describe the world around you. For example, the sky is purple. And quantitative is using number values to describe the world around you, like I went to the bathroom at 6:30.
How to write a lab report. You need your hypothesis, your materials, your procedures, observations, your quantitative and qualitative observations, and your conclusion.
I'm going to describe a null hypothesis. Sorry, this will be read out of the book because I don't know what it is. The null hypothesis is an essential part of any research design and is always tested, even indirectly. An experiment conclusion always refers to the null rejecting or accepting, rather than H. Yeah.
H1's the alternative hypothesis.
Yeah.
During our solar system project, we learned about the other 4 dwarf planets in our solar system that we did not know about, and they were Eris, Makemake, Haumea, and Ceres. They're gonna do the 4 parts of a wave, and it's like this is the amplitude, and like this part, like that. This is the wavelength, or like right here, and then this is the crest, and the bottom part. I guess this could be the bottom part. This is the trough.
Yeah.
The different types of variables.
Found by Ms. Georgia Page.
The different types of variables. Another thing I learned from Mr. Dark and Lovely Pope was the 3 types of variables, which was the independent, dependent, and the control. The independent variable is the change that occur in the experiment. The dependent variable is the change that occur due to the independent variable. And the control variable is anything that can influence the dependent variable.
Next, Lamarck and Darwin's theory thing.
Theory.
I don't know if it's a theory or is it, I don't know. Okay. Lamarck's theory of acquired characteristics.
The if-then, we learned about the if-then statement, and that's when you're stating if your independent variable, and then in your dependent variable. And it's like saying if you go to Elliott Supply Company, then you'll be able to buy supplies.
Expensive supplies, not supported by evidence. Darwin is best known for observing finches, comparing those on the island of the coast to the mainland of South Africa.
We learned about the volcano explosively index, the VEI. And Chris Newhall and Steve Self created it. It goes from 0 to 8, and it measures the 5 things. It measures the volume of the ejecta, the height of the eruptive column, the qualitative descriptions like gentle or explosive, and the style of past activity, and the height of spreading of the eruptive plume head, like in the introsphere or the stratosphere. And then the placebo effect is when one patient receives the medication, the real one, and then the other patient receives a fake one, and they both receive relatively the same effect. Hi, Mr.